What is the embarrassment there? Eh? What is the embarrassment? You allowed this Igbo boy to cross the bridge just free of charge like that without traditional right. Ha! Ha!
Daddy, please, you're just coming back. You need rest. Let's go inside.
Inside?
Yes, let's go in.
This place?
Daddy, please, let's go in. Daddy.
Ahmed.
Okay, please, down.
Are you really sure that that man is your father?
Wallahi tallahi, he's my father.
Are you really sure?
Wallahi, please.
But Ahmed, you know, you don't really need to beg.
Okay, no, please, okay, please.
Sergeant!
Sir!
Release that man for this man.
Please, sir.
Immediately.
Thank you very much. I'll bring
I don't tell you. You never shame? Shame from it. Nonsense. Sorry. You might just. You never shame? That things that will come up. Huh? Nonsense. If I be you, I could be shame. Okay, don't do go now. What that's the game? Papa, okay, go now, don't do now. What does the game captain say? They don't there for mine. See first way see. Papa, this man I see. I will bring this in the Papa. Boy. Papa! Man! Oh my God. Papa! Papa, no. Man, what happened? I saw him at the station after my usual dealings with the deal. They're gonna lock me.
Papa, hold on. How did you get involved with the police?
That police get locked. Now you go begin go save them. Now,
what actually happened?
Trouble with them well. Now you go, they put yourself for case like that.
Anyway, oh God, I just bailed him with my influence, you know. Thank you. Thank you very much. Sure. Thank you so much. So, hi, Skike. She's fine. Would you want to come in and say let me just roll. I just brought my papa. Papa. So, no. I'm sure you don't want to do it. No, I'll come back later. Okay. All right, Papa. Yeah, I'll call you. Cheers. Papa, what's the meaning of this? You didn't tell me you were coming to Lagos.
The Chris, I will begin to tell you that they come to Lagos.
Papa, you're meant to tell me.
This is what happened now. We're supposed to thank God for it.
Yes, thank God for your journey, Mercy. But next time,
you get cola for house. You get cola.
When we get inside, we'll sort it out.
You get cola.
I don't have cola.
As if I know.
Who is this? All right, when you talk to
Your mama Abuba.
you can be seen now. Who is this?
Daddy, it's Uche's father.
Hey, Kike, you see what I told you now? You see? He has even called his father and they have started doing ritual with Kola not to kill you. You see?
Daddy, this is no ritual. It's just their way of celebration.
Shut up. What do you know, Jare? You see what?